Hey guys, welcome back to Wardrobe Stories. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about Amazon home decor haul. And I'm going to share the review of all these products in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको टाइम टू टाइम नोटिफाई हो जाए। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर मोर होम डेकोर आइडियाज। I have shared haul pack link of all the products in the description box. If you want to buy anything then you can check out that link. So this is 8 AM look of my living room and these morning sun rays fills the positive vibes into my space. Many of you must be wondering how I manage my living room with these wing chairs and carpets. When you use carpet in your home, maintaining it is a big task. So to maintain the cleaning of carpet and these wing chairs, I use this Agaro Icon bagless vacuum cleaner. To maintain the carpet, you have to purchase a vacuum cleaner because most of the carpets produces lint which you have to clean. I have this handmade woolen carpet which produces a lot of lint, so I have to clean this carpet at least once in a week. I will explain about all the features of this vacuum cleaner in detail in this video, but first let's clean this space. This bagless vacuum cleaner from Agaro is the best option for dry vacuuming. Carpets needs regular cleaning and this vacuum cleaner is a blessing. It has 1600 watts motor which gives you a powerful suction pressure of 24 kPa. Hence this is good for active cleaning. It comes with extendable rod which helps you to clean the difficult areas without much efforts. This vacuum cleaner is also very helpful to clean the corner of these kind of wing chairs or sofa. So here I have cleaned my carpet, wing chair and sofa with this Agaro bagless vacuum cleaner which has made my life very easy. This vacuum cleaner is very compact and lightweight. Let's talk about the features of this vacuum cleaner. It comes with this option to adjust the suction setting as per your requirement. It has 5 meters long cable which helps you to move it to any area from the switchboard. And this is the power cord retraction button which helps you to retract the cord back into its place. This vacuum cleaner comes with large wheels along with 360-degree front swivel wheel so that you can move it easily from one place to another. And this Agaro vacuum cleaner comes with 1.5 liters bagless bin which is designed for hygienic removing and you can empty it with one hand. Since this is a bagless vacuum cleaner, you can easily wash it to clean. This is the hose pipe and you can attach it like this. And this is the extendable tube which you can attach to the vacuum cleaner like this. This vacuum cleaner comes with many attachments like this floor brush which you can use to clean carpets and floor. This is the multi-purpose brush which you can use to clean the sofa, wing chair seats or any surface from you have to clean the dirt particles. And this is the crevice nozzle which is helpful to clean the difficult corners. So guys, this Agaro Icon bagless vacuum cleaner is very helpful and this comes with 1-year warranty. You can also try it. This is available both on Amazon and Agaro website. Now I am done with cleaning. Let's do some decoration. I am going to change some soft furnishing in my home to make it look more beautiful. Here in the living room, I have added this macrame table runner on my center table. You can use it on your dining table as well. This macrame table runner is looking very beautiful. I got this from Amazon for rupees 799. The quality is really good and you can try it too. Let's go to my master bedroom. Here I have added this beautiful cotton bedsheet on my king size bed. The size of this super king size bedsheet is 100 by 100 inches, which is too big. This bedsheet is very comfortable too, available in different prints and colors, and all the designs are hand painted. And what I loved about this bedsheet is that it looks very subtle. The color combination and design makes it look very classy. If you are someone who loves to tuck the bedsheet, then you should definitely go for this bedsheet. The quality of this bedsheet is really good. You should definitely try this bedsheet, guys. The fabric of this bedsheet is cotton, which is soft and breathable. And I got this bedsheet from Amazon for rupees 1015, and I feel guys कि ये worth it है. You should definitely try this bedsheet because the quality is amazing, the size is very huge, and you will not get this kind of bedsheet in a normal shop. And after tucking this bedsheet, the look of my bedroom is something like this. To enhance the look of this bedroom and to add some coziness in this space, I have added this runner. I got this from Amazon and I like the design of this runner, but the quality of this fabric is not what I have expected. The size of this runner is 3 by 5 and I got this from Amazon for rupees 900 I guess, but I will not recommend you guys to buy this. So guys, it's time for giveaway announcement. So new giveaway date is from 3rd of February to 31st of March. All the rules are same as earlier. Next, I got this table runner from the brand Tirtha. This is a handloom cotton table runner. I was attracted to this table runner because of this tassel detailing, but the quality of this runner is not as I have expected. I got this table runner from Amazon for rupees 899, which is not worth it to invest in this runner. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि आज की ये वीडियो एंड आज का कलेक्शन आपको कैसा लगा. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको टाइम टू टाइम नोटिफाई हो जाए. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर मोर होम डेकोर आइडियाज़.